Faramesh Guard is the desktop control plane for autonomous agents, like OpenClaw running locally and LangGraph workflows that can actually touch your machine. In this demo, I'm going to verify enforcement, turn learned behavior into policy, check fleet coverage, and export a tamper-evident audit log anyone can independently verify. First, I open status for a fast snapshot. Protection is active, uptime is healthy, and today Guard handled 1,273 actions. 1,247 allowed, 23 blocked, and 3 pending approvals waiting for review. We're on v1.0.0 up to date. Enforcement is set to safe mode, so risky ops default to ask. And this part matters. Interception proof is verified, with a proof hash, an enforcement method, and a live heartbeat. That's cryptographic evidence Guard is actually enforcing, not just claiming it. Now I jump to patterns to see what Guard learned from what I've approved. Here's a high confidence workflow. The git sequence: git add, git commit, git push, seen over and over. Guard also learned common reads like package.json in project roots and normal registry lookups. I take this learned git workflow and promote it into a rule, so future runs are governed consistently. Next, I go straight to rules. You can see the total rules, what's enabled, and the split between allow, deny, and approval required. I toggle allow git operations to immediately enable or pause that policy, then toggle again to confirm it's enforced exactly how I want. I expand a rule row to inspect the details: tool pattern, argument matchers, priority, hit count, and last activity. If I need something new, I click add rule, then close it and return to the list. Now I switch to fleet to confirm coverage. 4 devices are enrolled, 2 are online and enforcing. 2 need attention, 1 is drifted on an older version, and 1 is offline and not enforcing. This is how you catch gaps instantly across Mac, Windows, and Linux. Next, I open audit log to review the complete tamper-evident history. I expand entries to see the exact tool, the outcome, the decision source, risk signals, timestamps, and the canonical action hash. Now I click Verify Chain, proving the log hasn't been altered end-to-end, anchored by the Merkle root. Then I click Export. I include the Merkle proof chain so anyone can independently verify integrity, and I include decision signatures to prove who approved or denied what. Finally, I export the bundle, a verifiable audit package ready for storage, sharing, or compliance. If something escalates, I open emergency controls for instant lockdown and synced global block lists and threat feeds applied across the whole org. And I finish in settings, enforcement defaults, API keys, notifications, and advanced controls like telemetry and auto update, so Guard stays current everywhere. That's Faramesh Guard, autonomous agents with enforcement, governance, and proof.